hoje eu vou fazer uma maquiagem coreana. Na real, como eu particularmente não sei fazer, eu tenho minha amiga aqui hoje e ela vai fazer a maquiagem em mim, porque ela é coreana, então ela todo dia faz maquiagem coreana nela, e ela vai fazer aqui, vai ensinar a gente como é que faz, qual que é o segredo, qual que é o jeito certo de fazer tudo isso. E vamos ver como que vai dar, se vai dar certo nessa minha carinha aqui, por isso que eu tô sem maquiagem, bem natural. Então, Olivia. Ela não fala português, então hoje é pra gente testar aí o físico, como é que tá? É um vídeo bilíngue.
So yeah, this is my first time giving a Korean style makeup to a foreigner, so I'm quite excited.
E depois eu vou fazer nesse rostinho da Olivia uma maquiagem estilo brasileiro, então assim, cílios, batonzão, porque ela sempre usa maquiagem bem naturalzinha. Então depois vocês podem assistir no canal dela o vídeo de eu fazendo maquiagem brasileira.
Sim.
Let's see who does it better, me or you?
Okay. I don't have any confidence, but I'll try my best.
Of course.
So I'm just going to put some like moisturizer.
Ela vai colocar hidratante, porque uma coisa que é importante, pelo que ela tá me falando, is true. One thing that's important for Korean makeup and beauty is the skin.
It's the skin, so that once you put your like foundation, it's like nice and clear and very like good. Looking good.
Smells so good.
My skin tone is, I have very like yellow beige kind of fair skin, so I'm using this, but
Minha pele tá horrível hoje.
yeah, Korean put a lot of effort to foundation.
You have to be, because Koreans are known for having really good skin, like glass skin, we see all of that. So I think that the skin is really important.
And the key point is having a very thin layer. Yeah, not like put too much, having a very thin layer.
It's really different from Brazil.
Yeah.
A gente gosta de revolta. We like really thick and a lot of makeup. Not everyone, but when we do makeup, it's like makeup.
Such big eyes. With the sponge, people think of Korean makeup as a very natural makeup, right?
Yeah. What I see from Korean makeup is like making eyes look bigger.
And also have a concealer, so I'm gonna hide the spots or like an acne. I used them a lot, but I took them out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like, it's really chilly.
I don't know that.
Really? Yeah.
Porque hoje ela tá usando as maquiagens dela em mim, eu vou usar as minhas maquiagens nela. Então assim, a base e tudo é dela. Por isso que a gente tava preocupado com a cor, mas a nossa cor de pele até parece ser muito diferente, mas assim, é meio que a mesma, eu não sei.
And Korean style is like a pink kind of style, so I'm gonna use this color. It's pink kind of beige, nudie beige.
I'm excited because I think I am learning too today.
And I'm gonna use a like purr, but not like a too poly purr on like the front side, like here.
This is how you usually do everyday makeup or like going out makeup?
This would be my everyday makeup because I don't have like a special going out makeup, because if I go out, then I would go to the makeup shop and get the makeup done, like professional makeup. So this would be more like a daily stuff. And then I'm gonna use a bit more darker color to draw the eyeline, a little bit of eyeline.
Okay.
Differences.
You don't see the difference?
Yeah. I'm gonna draw the eyeliner. Usually I draw eyeliner at the end. So I don't go from the beginning, but I feel like I have to do from your face, on your face.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
but I've never done it before, so I'm kind of nervous.
Okay, you can do it.
My hands are shaking.
Ela tá meio nervosa porque, tipo, não sei, não tô vendo, né? Mas pelo que ela falou, a maquiagem não tá aparecendo tanto a sombra por causa da cor, porque ela é mais branquinha que eu, né? Então ela quer fazer um delineado que chama mais atenção. I will not look. I will not look looking.
My-
Boom.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
I have a lot of eyelashes.
I don't think you need a mascara
Really?
because it looks like you had an extension, so it's okay. It's good for Korean makeup.
Okay.
And yeah, if you're almost done, it's fairly simple with a highlighter. So usually I do over here, full hair, and since Korean people want to have a really pointy nose, they go like here and here.
And you usually don't do like contour?
I do, but not as much as.
Okay.
What?
Because it's so different. Yeah, like for my routine, it's really different.
Okay.
I like it.
And then the blusher cheek. So smile. I'm not sure about the eyebrow how I can change, but I'll use the concealer because we cannot actually put it.
É, porque ela tá preocupada, por exemplo, mas aqui a tua sobrancelha é muito grossona, chama muita atenção. E as coreanas têm sobrancelha mais reta, mais assim, sobrancelha. The eyebrow is like that.
Yeah.
It's really soft on the face.
And it looks like a little arch, but very thin and not like going shape.
Dun, dun.
Yeah. Looks like you draw something like straight.
Oh, okay.
So maybe should I cover everything?
Maybe. Yeah. Okay.
No, I don't think I can. Maybe
cover up.
everything.
I don't know.
Oh my goodness. Because I think that's better to like sort of.
Que tal? It's working.
Not really. But oh my goodness, I'm sorry. What if I look like a grandma? But I'll make it pretty, okay?
Okay.
Have a face.
Trust the process.
Yeah. Okay. Eyeshadow. Oh my goodness. I think I messed up. Oh my goodness.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Why? I wanna see it.
Oh.
It's okay. I trust you.
Okay. And highlighter. We've done highlighter and contouring. We don't do like much contouring on like Korean makeup, so I'm just gonna do only like a little bit on your cheek.
Okay.
And the lip, the last part, is quite easy. Oh, by the way, I think
Oh, okay.
this is the eyebrow color. It's a liquid one.
Okay. It's okay. I am scared.
I mean, I like it so far, but except for the eyebrow part, but maybe I can do better next time. And then, yeah. Oh,
I am scared.
oh my god. And then, yeah, so just only the inner part. Ready?
Okay.
It's done.
It's done so fast.
How long did it take? Like 50 minutes?
Yeah, I think so.
Here.
Let's see the result.
Oh, so
I am scared.
Why are you laughing? Just see yourself and tell me what you think.
Okay, okay.
1, 2,
3. Ah, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah. That's all I did. I'm so sorry about the
The
eyebrow.
eyebrows.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
The
Yeah.
eyebrows. Olivia.
Yeah.
Oh.
But
But
yeah.
the rest is okay. It's like more delicate.
Yeah.
The eyebrows.
I'm so sorry about
The eyebrows.
But with like a hair, the Korean style, you would more look like a Korean, I think.
Okay.
For now, this is it. How about this? So, it's yours, right?
Então, assim, a sobrancelha.
I'm so sorry about of the iPhone. Descobri. Well, this is the first time, so I have to understand. Oh, thank you.
Mas, assim, no geral eu gostei. Eu achei que tá legal, tipo, é diferente, elas não fazem contorno, que nem a gente sempre faz, pelo menos eu sempre faço. E não põe muito rímel, tipo, ela nem põe rímel, porque ela falou, ah não, teu cílio já é longo. Aqui muita gente fala isso, ah não, teu cílio já é longo, você não precisa de rímel. Mas eu gostei, fica tipo, bem natural, bem dia a dia. E eu acho que tá ok.
Yeah, I'm glad that you like it.
She's like, E não se esqueçam de depois, eu vou deixar aqui linkado aqui embaixo, o vídeo da Olivia que eu vou fazer maquiagem nela, brasileira. Obrigada, gente. Não se esquece de deixar um comentário aí. Vocês sabem que eu respondo todo mundo quando dá vontade, porque às vezes eu esqueço, mas eu respondo todo mundo. Não se esquece de curtir o vídeo, se inscrever no canal, me segue lá no Insta. E é isso. Beijo! Tchau!
Looks so cute, right?